Good morning students, this is your Praveen sir. So in this video I am going to explain how to download Google Classroom app from Play Store and as well as how to upload your answer sheets to your respective subject teacher. I am going to explain. For that, first of all you have to go to Play Store in your app. Okay, in your Play Store. Search for the Google Classroom app. Yes, this is the original logo of Google Classroom. So see this. So you have to first of all install this app. I am trying to install this app in my mobile. So you have to do the same thing in your phone. So please wait a while until my download is completed. So see Nana, my classroom is completed. Now I am ready to open this app. So go for open. So when it open, the first screen will come like this. So you have to go to get started. Yes, get started. So when I press get started, it shows Gmail accounts already which is installed in your phone. So you can see one Gmail ID is there in my mobile. So that is showing here. So you have to log in with the Gmail ID. For example, if your Gmail ID is not shown here, you have to enter manually your Gmail ID or your parents Gmail ID and password. Okay, now I am choosing my mail ID here and press OK. Yeah, my Google Classroom is started. So after this, next step is what you have to do means here if you can see here bottom there is a plus symbol here. So in this first you have to press this one. Now you can see two options, one is create class and join class. So what you have to do means join class. So when you enter join class, it asks the code, class code. So what is class codes means here your respective teachers will give different codes for each subject. So here I am entering one code for maths K70 OH6 and Q. This is one code Nana. So this is one code of maths for some class. So these codes will vary from class to class and subject to subject. So these codes will be given to you by your adaptation teachers or subject teachers. Okay now after that entering this code we have to join. Yes, if you join like this, if you press on join button, it will try to join. Yes, my maths class is completed. So after that uh, go back. So yes, I pressed one back button, it shows, and again here you can see one bottom plus symbol again. So like again press plus symbol and join to another class. So like this what you have to do means you have to join all the different subjects. So before maths is complete, now I am entering another code for Telugu and that code is FX22ZSV. Yes, so like this. Now join. So where you can see or where you can get these codes means your teachers will give for each and every subject different codes. Yes, my Telugu classroom is completed. Now go back. So as of today here now two classes created, two classrooms, subject rooms. First Google Classroom, after that subject room. Maths room is completed, Telugu room is completed. So like that for each subject that your teachers will give one different codes. So what you have to do, you have to click on plus symbol and there you have to see, you have to go to join class. For that if you go to join class, it asks one code. That codes you have to enter which is given by your adaptation teachers. Like that you have to add on each different subjects. So here maths and Telugu added, similarly you have to add physics, chemistry, biology, like that remaining subjects. So after that what you have to do means, for example if it is a maths exam today, that what teacher will do means the teacher will send question papers. Generally as usual they will share on question paper to you on Zoom by screen sharing. You have to write answers in your white paper like yesterday and before. So you have to write your answers on white paper. After completion of writing answers on white paper, what you have to do means, for example if it is maths exam, you have to open this app and go to maths room. This is maths room. So go to maths room. So there already teachers will post question papers. See, you can see this is a new assignments on sets and real numbers. This is assignment is given by your teacher, assume like that. So this is exam question paper. Okay na. For this you have to write answers na. Already you wrote your answers and kept ready with you. That answers you have to post to your teachers. How to post means, bottom you see na, there is three options: stream, classwork and people. So here first of all, this open this assignment na, open this assignment. So if you open this assignment, now you can see here, this is the question paper. So I am given one question paper, just I am opening for sample. Yes, the question paper is opening. So you feel this as question paper, something I given to you to understand. Yes. Yeah. So feel it as a question paper, Nana. So no need to do anything on these question papers. Move back. This is your question paper. Now how to upload your answers means, for this question paper, you can see at the down of the screen there is a your work option. Your work. There is a up arrow also is there. So if I scroll up, it will come like this, or scroll down, it will be like this. Scroll up. Okay na. Once you scroll up, you can see this message pop-up menu. So your work. Here add attachment is there. So you have to press on add attachment. Okay na. So if you press on add attachments, so you can see on this menu. So here some options are there. Forget all the options. You need a take photo. So take photo option and click on take photo. Then yes, for example I chosen click on. Okay, the camera will open and you have to click on your camera, means you have to take photo of your question papers. Yes, I have taken photo. Like this you have to take photo of your answer sheets, and later here tick mark is there, press on tick mark. So it will add. Yeah. So see Nana, here attachment is added. Attachment is added. For example, like this, if you write 2 or 3 papers, the same all the 3 photos of your answer sheet you have to attach here. After completion of attach, what you have to do means, the final step is you have to turn in. Press on turn in. Yes, I am. Yes, it asks to turn in again. Yes, turn in. So when it is turn in, you can see bottom one pop-up message came, that is work submitted. Work submitted. So if you get like that, your work is finished. Then later what you will do means, your work will reach to your subject, to respect to subject teacher in Gmail, and they will open that papers and they will correct. After correcting the papers within 3 to 4 days or 4 to 5 days, they will post again in the same Google Classroom app, and after that they will inform to you. You can check the corrected papers in the same your phone Google Classroom app only. So this is helps us for uploading your answer sheets, and after that correction papers also you can see here after the correction is completed. Okay na. So this is a procedure how to download app and how to upload your answers to respective teacher. Okay, I hope it is clear everyone. Thank you.